So at this point, this is when I consider myself ready to start mixing.
Mm-hmm.
I got all my colors that I recognize. Everything's in order. So let's start.
Awesome.
So in this intro, you hear he's doing kick, and then on the rim of the snare, he's hitting the rim.
Mm-hmm.
So what I did last night was I took that rim click.
Yeah.
I muted it on the snare track, but copied it down to its own track, so I could EQ that separately from.
Oh, okay. It's a very different sound.
Yeah, it's very different
hit.
from when he comes in with the snare.
Mm-hmm.
And this is interesting. It has a little bit of kick in it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So what I did was I'm sending the kick drum to this bus 17, and I'm gaining up a lot so I can hear those clicks nice, but I'm actually compressing that kick, almost turning it all the way off as much as possible.
Oh, wow.
And then I'm also gating that kick and rolling off the low end of it. So when it's done, you have very little of that kick left.
Yeah.
So I don't have to worry about it phasing with my natural kick, because I want to be able to get this, if necessary, as loud as possible without changing the kick sound.
Interesting.
So now I have a nice clean rim stick.
What kind of attack are you using to get the kick out?
Oh, as fast as possible.
As fast as possible. Yeah.
So every time it hits, it just.
Yeah.
It's just hammering on that kick drum, and then we're also rolling off that low end a little bit, adding a little bit of the mid range where that click sound is coming through.
Mm-hmm. Someone's asking, hold on. Do you use a master bus, or can you treat each track separately? I think he's asking, because master bus just makes it easier, or do you have to duplicate plugins? I guess he's asking about your workload with the master buses, I guess.
Oh.
Yeah, but you're not using them for effects, it's just for levels.
Yeah, it's the master buses are really just for levels, and then a couple of them, like the parallel bus.
The parallel bus, yeah.
It'll end up having compression on it. And sometimes the music bus, at the end of the mix, the music's not quite as bright as the vocals have gotten and the drums have gotten.
Okay.
So sometimes I'll throw an EQ on that bus and EQ all the music together.
Yeah, yeah.
Or if it's really close, instead of doing that, I'll just go through and on each instrument and brighten it a little bit. But yeah, the buses are just kind of the last I don't know what you want to call it. It's the last stop before the end. Where you have to mess with things. Yeah, I mean, you'll see more of it as we get down the road. You'll start to see those come together.